Hi, I'm Brenda Burwash-Ross from Engel & Volkers. We are currently at 8046 Bridge Lake Road North. Welcome to your lakefront dream retreat. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by breathtaking lake views visible from every room in the house. With a sun-soaked, south-facing orientation, this home stays naturally warm even through the winter months. The entire property is enclosed with low-maintenance vinyl fencing, and just across the road, a secure cedar-fenced storage compound adds even more convenience. Step inside to a spacious kitchen featuring elegant quartz countertops, perfect for cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying the view. Upstairs, the master bedroom includes a walk-in closet with a convenient laundry chute, adding function to luxury. Unwind in your private 4-person sauna, a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation after a day on the lake. Follow the private path down to your U-shaped Easydock, complete with retractable hoist ramp and kayak racks. Perfect for enjoying everything this lakeside lifestyle has to offer. A detached 3-bay garage, enclosed boat storage, and 2 separate shops, one for metalworking, one for woodworking, make this property a handyman's dream.